Skywatch hosted an event called Let's Talk About Space at the Institute of Quantum Computing in the University of Waterloo on Friday. The organizing group aims at making satellite data accessible to the world.
We're basically a one-stop shop for satellite data and ordering feature-facing data. So you can say, I want to monitor an area and order data every week for the next 2 months. So that's what Skywatch does, is where we enable people to get access to satellite data at a very low cost.
The event targeted at bringing in panelists who focused on the middle and high school students to get them interested in space science and space technology.
So it's really interesting to get the perspective today from some scientists that are local in our community, because we have such a huge hub, I think, in this community of Waterloo, where it's kind of like the space valley of, in comparison to Silicon Valley. I feel like because we have the Perimeter Institute, we have this facility here, the Nano Center. We even have Donna Strickland working at Waterloo. So I just feel like it's something that students, especially in this area, can really hone into very well. There's lots of opportunities that I've come across as a teacher that I can take students to.
Portion of the session also highlighted the power of women in science, along with challenges they face in the field.
We don't have enough women, and there is still a lot of sexual harassment in the workplace, which is something completely crazy, especially in this day and age. It's really good that people are starting to talk about it. In my home country, people don't talk about it so much, so I'm really happy that Canada is starting this discussion, because I feel like it's a vital discussion for the safety of the field and progress in general.
For Spoke Online, I'm Kruti Thakur.